no gold is not enough.
Hello you little weirdos and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would jump right on a trend that happened about a week ago. I know I'm very late to it, but it's the following makeup tutorial trend. As most of you know, I am a makeup artist, but I am very new to face paint. But I wanted to try something that would really push me out of my comfort zone. And for a really long time, I've been following an account called Madeyewlook. If you guys don't know who she is, just go check out the channel. It's gonna be right here on the screen. Or right down in the description so that you can go follow her. Because if you're not following her, like, what are you doing? I'm pretty sure everyone knows who she is. So I kept looking at all the different looks and I decided upon this one. And it's because it's one of my favorite games. I fell in love with Frambo. I love Frambo. So I'm really excited to do this makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's jump right into it and start the tutorial. She's queen.
Fran, I wasn't expecting you until 2:35. Good evening. In this tutorial, we're going over It Word from the game Frambo. And let me tell you, Frambo is like right up my alley. Any kind of game that's like a psychological, twisted, really weird game, I just...
Yes.
Oh man, I get so into it. I love it. Those of you guys who like the games that are really imaginative and really just out there in different worlds, Frambo, highly recommend it. All the products that you save listed somewhere around the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Starting off by painting my face using a light whitish gray color. I'm also bringing this down a little bit on my neck, but you can pretty much leave it alone for now. I want to go with a slightly more realistic rendition.
Wait. So I know that she uses a lot of Graftobian face paint. I don't know what kind that she's using, but I got some Graftobian water activated face paint, so I'm just gonna start with that. The only thing I do worry about is that my eyebrows are definitely darker than hers. I don't think they're gonna get covered up. So we're just becoming our true form right now, which is a ghost. I look like one of those kids who's going to the beach and their mom went way overboard with the sunscreen. That's me right now. But it is a bit blotchy. I need to like fix that. Oh, she said also down the neck. Oh, we still got the neck to do. Oh, honey, we've got a while. It went down my neck so smoothly. But it's so patchy on my face. I look like a bad version of Pennywise the Clown. I think that's his name. Her name. I never watched the It movie. Queen, show me what to do.
As opposed to the more drawn paper-like style of the game. And because of that, I want to texturize and dirty up my skull. I did this by flicking on shades of brown, dark green, sponging it on, dabbing it on. Don't forget about your neck.
She also said that she used some sponges, so I picked some up so I can do exactly what she did. Ooh, that's dark. But it's blending.
Shadow and then mapping out the actual bone structure of my skull. Try to feel for the bones underneath your face. This is going to give you really good placement of said bones.
She's right on saying that you can feel the bones, because I didn't think I would be able to, but I really do through the brush.
For sharp teeth for right now, I'm using brown body paint.
See, hers is really thin and dainty. Mine would look really thick and like I have a mustache. My name is Nico Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Shadow, I'm then adding the mysterious bags underneath Edward's eyes.
I know that this is like a 3-hour process and she's doing it in 4 minutes. How? I mean, I think this works.
In the black areas, this includes in your cheekbone, in the inside of your mouth, your nose, and your eyes.
Okay, we've got the black areas on.
To make the eye area a little bit smoky, I'm first laying down brown shadow, then black shadow, and then going over that with the black paint.
I got my brush, I got some brown shadow. She doesn't have like any uniform way of how she's putting it on, so I'm just gonna follow what she's doing. Then she goes over it with black paint. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Areas around the eyes to define the wrinkles as well as some cracks. To fill in Edward's oddly shaped temples.
Oh shoot, I forgot my nose. I forgot my nose! Okay, I got the nose. Hers looks so black. Mine doesn't really look like it's coming off black, even though it is. I think it's just mixing with the white paint somehow. Okay, then she said black eyeshadow, so I need some more black eyeshadow.
Using gray eyeshadow and then going in and deepening that up using black. Using the same black shadow, I'm also defining some areas around the jawline. And separating his terrifying but friendly teeth.
Give myself that snatch jawline, yes!
Took a bone color alcohol activated paint and then just filled in the teeth and the brown spots because I wanted it to connect more to the skull than it did. I also went ahead and outlined and highlighted some of the areas.
Okay, and then she went around and highlighted everywhere.
Line your eyes with eyeliner.
Eyeliner, got it.
Shirt using a very extremely light pink. Then went around that shirt using red body paint.
Okay, then she went around that with red.
Also uses black to fill in around your neck. This is going to make your neck disappear and the bones in the center stand out.
Covering up my double chin like.
Around the actual neck part because he doesn't actually go around his actual neck because he doesn't like have one. And just overall defining and shading the collar as opposed to the shirt.
So she took some darker pink. So I'm just mixing like a pink with a brown. And I'm getting something. I'm getting something. Getting a lot of fallout. That's what I'm getting.
Added some white body paint on one shoulder.
I'm not doing that because I have my jacket on.
Easily added gold paint and made those into the stones.
I do not have gold paint, but I do have the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, and I'm going to use that.
Be sure to add a white highlight and then you'll pretty much have stones.
Okay, so we got our buttons on. And now for the glint in the button. Alright, now I don't have a hat like she does, or a black background, so I'm just gonna leave my hair the same, and I'll just be a weird skeleton with hair. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please do hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit that post notifications button because it really does help my channel. I love all you little weirdos so much, and thank you so much for following me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
My heart is a mess, because my heart you hope to die, taking this one step at a time, one foot in front of the other.
Do not worry, friend. I am not a creature of the dark. I will not hurt you. I am Eat the World. Eat the World. Eat the World! Come around here often? I do, because I'm dead. That was painful.